Good morning everyone, this is the first in a 9 or 10 part series where I'm going to cover each of the piphunter indicators. In today's episode we're going to cover the trend detection system, and then in the preceding episodes we'll work our way up the list. So in this first episode we're going to cover trend detection system. What does trend detection system do? Well, it was probably my first attempt at trying to handle an accurate signal. And you can see on chart, all it does is it colours your candles when there's a signal. So in this case, red for sell, green for buy. You get a little star when the trend appears, and you get a line. The line is supposed to represent a stop loss based line. It does it based off of the high or the low of the last three candles. And that's how it's running. It doesn't give or take profit because this was again very early. However, you can see that it does lead to some nice signals. I mean, look at this. These trades in through here, all of them were relatively straightforward and happy. A couple little things in here, so on and so forth. You can see that it does get a bit choppy and cause some issues, but you can see that in general it's a relatively straightforward thing. How would you use it? Well, if you have a method where, and we're just going to add some random indicators to the chart just so that I can explain it. Maybe that's not the right indicator. And then we'll add, I don't know, this. Let's not add that, that's really ugly. So the concept behind what you would want to do, let's not use that either because that's kind of not what I'm looking for. Let's try this, is that I would find a method where you get your signal from trend detection system and you have a follow-up way of confirming it. So in this case, maybe I can use the red and green line from this random indicator. And when they're bullish or bearish, that I'm only looking for bullish and bearish moves on here, and then maybe there's a short-term one that's just going to help filter out some of the noise, especially when you get to consolidation areas like this. Your aim is to find things that will filter out some noise. But trend detection system, very, very simple and straightforward. All it does is it calls a trade essentially and gives you a stop loss. Thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one.